We are watching here is the MOC trade on the first day of 2024, first trading day. This is the 250 bar. Now usually I preach that the MOC trade starts with the 255 bar, but on days where there is a very big trend, I've seen it start at 245, I've seen it start at 250, and it really just depends on how much buying there is to get done on the close. And being the first day of the year, we know that there is a lot of program money that has to come into the S&P or whatever stock index. So I went ahead and got long using the 250 bar, but it does look like this is 245, so 246. So it wasn't quite 245 that started it, but here from 247 we have all lower higher lows. So I'm trailing my stop. My stop will now be at 350. Which is also my entrance, so it's break even to me at this point. Gosh, I wish I went bigger on this. It's just it's hard to trade a pattern that comes around once a year. You don't have a huge sample size with it. It's just anecdotal memories of how it plays out. So just keep in here. What I'll probably do is I'll probably add on the 255 trigger, or if there's just a low risk entry, like if this were to come into here. The stop, is significantly lower. So, not significantly lower. So, like here, 77.75. Yeah, I might take a stab at it there. So, yeah, my stop is now going to be 77.75. Okay. And this is just the anatomy of how an MOC trade works. Look at the size of this 250 bar, 14,000. Usually 10,000 is considered high, meaning that your 255 to 3 o'clock will get a good MOC move. I'm assuming that the move is going to be higher, but I could be wrong, right? The official MOC is just the last 5-minute move, but typically, they wouldn't buy it up here early. Let's see, we need this low to hold here. Two seconds to the next bar. Okay. I was just in the middle of recording the crude oil video, so I kind of missed recording the early part of this. But here we go. So now I can move my stop to this level here, 79.25, or really 79.75. I'll do that on the close of this bar, 79.75. So I'm well in the profit zone. This trade should not turn negative on me. Let's go ahead and do 79.25 instead of 75. About 10 seconds till the end of the bar. Okay, stop is moved. Now we hope this gets some momentum up here. Let's look across here. Is there anything really stopping it? Got this right here, 83.50. And you got this right here. What is this? 85.50. You might get a little bit of a jerky shakeout right on the 255 bar. Let's see. That's why I'm trailing the stop, not exactly at the last bar low, because this is 254. Next one will be 255.